Hey, what's up everyone? It's Natural Balance and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of natural remedies and I'm really excited to be talking about one of my favorite spices, clove. You know, for centuries, clove has been a staple in traditional medicine, and modern science is finally catching up to what these cultures have known all along. So if you're looking for natural ways to boost your health, you're in the right place. All right, let's jump right into it. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of clove and its incredible properties. Clove's powerful antimicrobial properties pack a serious punch against unwanted invaders. It fights harmful bacteria and other microbes, acting like a tiny warrior. Researchers have found clove to be a potent defender of our health. Clove essential oil can inhibit the growth of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. This is crucial in the fight against superbugs. The secret is eugenol, a potent antimicrobial agent. Eugenol disrupts bacterial cell membranes, leading to their demise, and it does this without harming healthy cells. Amazing, right? Let's talk about pain relief. We've all been there dealing with aches and pains. Clove can help thanks to eugenol. It's a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory. Clove oil numbs and reduces inflammation, providing relief. It soothes muscle pain, joint pain, and headaches. Having clove oil as a natural option is a good idea. Next up, let's talk about digestion. Good digestion is crucial for overall health, and clove can actually give your gut a helping hand. Clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to aid digestion and relieve digestive discomfort, and now science is backing up these traditional uses. One of the ways clove helps with digestion is by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are like little helpers in your gut that break down food, making it easier to digest. Clove can also help reduce bloating, gas, and nausea. It does this by relaxing the smooth muscles in your digestive tract, which can help things move along more smoothly. Clove's anti-inflammatory properties are a game changer for overall health. Inflammation helps our bodies heal, but chronic inflammation is linked to health problems like heart disease and cancer. Clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Clove contains powerful antioxidants like eugenol, flavonoids, and tannins. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, maintaining cellular health. By reducing inflammation, clove may protect against chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. Chronic inflammation can also cause fatigue, brain fog, and skin issues, impacting your quality of life. Clove packs a powerful punch in protecting our health. Antioxidants are like superheroes, protecting our cells from free radicals found in the air and food. Free radicals are unstable molecules causing oxidative stress, leading to aging and disease. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, keeping our cells healthy. Clove is loaded with these antioxidants, making it a powerful ally for our health. It has one of the highest antioxidant capacities, offering robust protection. Including clove in your diet boosts your overall health and well-being. Let's talk about immunity. A strong immune system is our first line of defense. Clove can give your immune system a boost. Clove has powerful antimicrobial properties thanks to eugenol. It enhances white blood cells, fighting off infections. Add ground clove to smoothies, soups, or stews, or try brewing clove tea for a comforting drink. Moving on to respiratory health. Clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to relieve respiratory ailments, and for good reason. Remember eugenol, our star compound in clove? Well, it also acts as an expectorant, which means it helps to loosen mucus in the respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up. This can be really helpful if you're dealing with a cold, cough, or congestion. Clove also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe irritated airways and reduce inflammation in the lungs. In some cultures, clove oil is even used in aromatherapy to help open up the airways and relieve congestion. Let's talk about oral health. We all want a healthy, bright smile, and clove can actually help with that. Remember how we talked about eugenol being a natural anesthetic and antimicrobial agent? Well, those properties are incredibly beneficial for your oral health. Clove oil has been used for ages to relieve toothaches, and studies have shown that it can actually be as effective as benzocaine, a common ingredient in over-the-counter dental anesthetics. But it's not just about pain relief. Clove's antimicrobial properties also help to fight off the bacteria that can cause bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Clove may help regulate blood sugar levels, crucial for people with diabetes. Consuming clove extract after meals can reduce blood sugar spikes. Clove may improve insulin sensitivity. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Last but not least, let's talk about skin health. Clove oil has amazing benefits. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties work wonders for acne-prone skin. It kills acne-causing bacteria, reduces redness and swelling. Clove oil is a natural antiseptic, healing minor cuts and wounds. Dilute it with a carrier oil before use. Always do a patch test first. So there you have it, the top 10 health benefits of clove. Who knew this little spice packed such a powerful punch? From boosting your immune system to improving your skin health, clove is a true natural wonder. As always, I encourage you to do your own research and talk to your healthcare provider before incorporating any new supplement or making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more weekly videos on the benefits of natural remedies and health tips.